Hello everyone, this is Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Swankuchi, Assam. We handweave the beautiful and the authentic Assam silk saris to Assam silk mekhela sadar, Assam cotton saris to Assam cotton mekhela sadar. We only handweave the original and the authentic Assam silk saris. We do not promote, we do not weave anything which is duplicate, polyester, or synthetic. This is a notice for everyone out there who would watch our video that Assam silk hand-woven sarees does not come in the range of 4,000, 5,000, not even 7,000 range. It is a completely fake note that you get from the online sellers. Yes, it is very disheartening, but we have seen this and we have been questioned over the fact that why is your Assam silk saris of this cost, whereas we have seen it in social media that we are receiving the Assam silk saris worth 7,000, 4,000, 8,000. No, an authentic Assam silk or a pure Assam silk saris can never come in that range. It is a month-long tedious process of weaving a beauty like what we show in our videos. So please ladies, if you're purchasing any sari worth that price of say 4,000 or 7,000, please keep in mind those are not the original ones. Those are just the copies or the replicas of the authentic Assam silks. Anyways, let's move ahead. It's a new year, it's a new beginning. And with this new beginning, we are going to showcase few very excellently handwoven art of Assam. When I say art of Assam, this saris speaks in volume of the craftsmanship, the precision, and the talent that our weavers have. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase three absolutely mind-blowing, beautiful Assam Pat silk saris. Pat means mulberry silk. Pat is the colloquial language term that we use in our day-to-day life. Pat means mulberry. The saris is lustrous, very soft and very, very beautiful to drape. So with this, let's start the show. This is the first sari. Now this striking, beautiful color, it's a beautiful rose pink color, as you can see, has been done on this beautiful Assam Pat silk sari. The sari has been crafted with dyed eri yarn and silver zari. This is the elongated palla portion which has been crafted with eri dyed yarn and silver zari all over. What a beauty! The neatness is spectacular. I'll show you the back side of the sari as because we have got zari. So I understand a lot of ladies feel that, oh, it is zari, it might get tangled. But no, this is the precision, this is the neatness. This is the back portion of the achal. And look at the front portion. It looks like a mirror image, right? Oh my God, I am in love with this color. What a pretty, very, very nice and a gorgeous color it is, isn't it? The entire sari has been crafted with medium size. You know, it's a lotus kind of a buta, but it is actually a flower buta. This body has been done with dyed eri yarn and silver zari. This is how the entire sari looks. As I unfold the sari, I hope you can understand the luster, the sheen, the drape it will give you when you drape this sari. This is the blouse portion. The blouse comes with this panel which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now speaking for the border portion, the border is a beautiful handcrafted, definitely yes. It is a border which has been crafted along with the sari. It has not been woven separately and stitched. It has been crafted along with the sari. So this kind of border does not give extra weight to the sari. like the borders which are attached over the sari. So this is how the entire sari looks. A very pretty, a very classy color on Assam part silk sari, which has been crafted with airy dyed yarn and silver zari. What a class, isn't it? There is a use of zari, but it does not give you that shadi wala vibe, but it definitely gives you a very classy vibe, isn't it? The sari comes with lab testing certificate where the warp and weft is tested and certified. Take a look, ladies, for the last time, because I know as soon as few beautiful ladies will watch this video, will definitely go in and grab this sari at first glance. I'm very sure of it. And I hope you all love this beautiful creation of us. Now we'll move on to another beautiful Assam part silk sari. This is the second beautiful, a dual tone Assam part silk sari. This color is a mix of red and grayish blue color. Hence you can get this beautiful, a very unusual tone on Assam part silk. You can see, I hope it is understandable, the dual tone effect. As I move the sari, I hope you can understand the red, the shine, the dhoop chow effect that comes when I fall this sari, when I flow this sari in this manner. And the entire sari has been crafted in a revival buta with golden zari and dyed airy yarn. The airy yarn that we have used, it is in a dark coffee color, and the meena has been done with golden zari. This is the palla portion. Oh my goodness, look at the flower motif with two leaves. It looks so pretty and so delightful, isn't it? Entire sari has got the flower buta. Now this flower buta is as such where there's a flower, the two stems and leaves out of it. You can see the butas. The entire sari has got these butas. As I unfold, please look at the distance of the butas that we have put across the sari. You can also see the sheen, the luster. Oh my God. Who can miss this sari, right? This is how the entire sari looks, and this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is almost a meter, so you can design as per your choice. This is the border panel of the blouse. Now this sari has a border which has been woven and then stitched over the sari. This is a beautiful border portion which is stitched and then it's been woven, and then stitched over the sari. This beautiful color, very unusual take on Assam part silk sari. Beautiful, isn't it? I do not know what other adjectives I can use to explain you ladies how graceful and how beautiful the craftsman is. The sari comes with lab testing certificate wherein the warp and weft is tested and certified. Now we'll go on to the last sari. What do I say more? The color, the design, oh my God. It is like a no-brainer. It's a orangish red color which has been crafted with golden zari, giving it a grand look. Look how the sari is looking. It is definitely a grand looking Assam part silk sari. Ladies who are getting married, who have got wedding nearby, please don't forget to add this beautiful sari to your collection. This is one such piece that you will not regret. The entire sari has been crafted very beautifully, very intricately with golden zari. This is the design motif of the palla. It's the diamond buta crafted very neatly all along in the achal portion. The body has got foin butas all over, which has been crafted with golden zari. This is how the entire sari looks. Please see at the placement of the butas, and as I unfold, I'm very sure you can very well understand the shine, the luster, and how good the quality of the silk is. Now this is the blouse piece, which is over a meter, comes with this panel in the blouse, which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now this border, it's a medium size border which has been woven and then stitched over the sari. This border has been woven and then stitched over the sari. The border motif, it's a gam kharu. It's a part of gam kharu motif that we have done on the border. This is definitely a grand, a beauty that cannot and that should not be missed, I feel. This sari comes with lab testing certificate where the warp and weft is tested and authenticated. So you do not have to worry about the authenticity of the silk, not the design pattern, because as I've tried to show you ladies in detail of our design motif. Before anything, I would also show you the back side of the palla. See the back side of the palla. Isn't it such neatly woven? Not to worry that it will get entangled. Definitely not. Absolutely not. This is the neatness. This is the precision that we aim and we achieve in our loom. So if you want to grab such beauties, absolutely breathtaking beauties, please contact us at 789-6541489. And any boutique owners or shop owners looking for authentic Assam handloom loom owners, weaver, you can definitely contact us. We'll be very happy to serve you all. We do ship worldwide. In India, our shipping is absolutely free. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching our videos, for liking our videos. I would request people out there who are new to this channel, please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel, and do put in your comments which was your favorite out of this three beautiful Assam part silk. Thank you very much for watching our videos.